Thank you so much. And sometimes it is all about product placement. It's all about product placement, okay? I know my hands are crusty, but they're clean. Order. This is crusty too, the batter. Fry anything with it. Shop in the Teal Kitchen on ETSY. And so what? I couldn't resist another batch. I put some ass slapping hot pepper on this one. All available on the website with the batter. And I do believe I'm going to throw some shrimp in there too, because you can fry anything with that batter. Ooh. Yeah, I'm going to just throw that in there because I did make that. That's ghetto and easy. And yes, the shrimp were lightly battered because that's how I like them. Ooh, let me eat one.
Our sister can't just wait for dinner to try the magic seasoning. We just seasoned our chicken with In the Teal Kitchen's magic seasoning. We have to taste our food before we serve it to our family. Man, this shit is off the chain. You need to get you some. I'm gonna order me some more.
What do we cook next with the magic seasons? What do we cook next in the Teal Kitchen? In the Teal Kitchen. In the Teal Kitchen.
New Black Business Alert. Visit our ETSY shop in the Teal Kitchen. That is shop in the Teal Kitchen on ETSY to get your magic seasoned turmeric blend.
Next with the magic seasons. What do we cook next in the Teal Kitchen?
No salt added, nut busting delicious meals as seen in the Teal Kitchen on Ratchet Today. Thank you so much. Order now, shop direct to avoid a couple dollars on shipping. Just cash app, hashtag Ratchet Today, and you will put in the note magic seasoning. Trust and believe we got ginger waffle cornbread and ginger motherfucking waffles. Okay, we got it all on deck. Shop in the Teal Kitchen on ETSY. Thank you.
What do we cook next with the magic seasons? What do we cook next in the Teal Kitchen?
Order direct, shop on Cash App. You can text me your shipping address 706-810-0829 or follow us on Instagram at Ratchet Today, RATCHETTODAY. I'll see you next time. You always want something to your mind, but you want one of them goddamn pancake mix from in the Teal Kitchen as seen on Ratchet Today. Right? Hey y'all, y'all don't need all that fucking salt, period. Put this magic season on any meat. You hear me? And stay tuned for my ass slapping hot pepper. This hot pepper about to be so hot it's about to make you slap your asshole with some motherfucking water like you at a bird bath.
What do we cook next with the magic seasons? What do we cook next in the Teal Kitchen?
Baby, go get your cooking in the Teal Kitchen seasonings, okay? Black owned business and brand. And tell them Bree sent you. The link is here.